Hello and welcome to class. In today's class, I shall be talking about evaluative tools in IELTS writing. In the IELTS writing test, your performance is evaluated using 4 key criteria each, focusing on different aspects of your writing skills. So let's talk about task achievement as the first on my list. Task achievement assesses how well you address the task requirements. For example, in task 1 for academic, it looks at whether you accurately summarize visual information like charts, map, or process diagram and highlight key trends. For task 2, it examines how effectively you develop a clear position on the topic, present relevant ideas, provide supporting arguments, and address all parts of the question. So we can say that a high score in this area means you have fully met the task demands. Number 2, coherence and cohesion. Coherence refers to the logical flow of ideas in your writing, while cohesion focuses on the use of linking words and phrases to connect your sentences and paragraphs. For a strong score, your essay should be well organized, with clear progression of ideas and effective use of cohesive devices such as however, moreover, and for instance to guide the reader. Number 3, lexical resource. Lexical resource evaluates your range and accuracy of vocabulary. A higher score indicates that you use a variety of words and phrases appropriately. Not just that, it shows you demonstrate flexibility in language use. It's important to show an ability to use less common vocabulary and to convey precise meaning. However, using vocabulary inaccurately can negatively impact your score. Finally, grammatical range and accuracy. This assesses the variety and correctness of your grammatical structures. A strong performance requires the use of different sentence types, such as simple, compound, and complex sentence, and accurate grammar, punctuation, and spelling. Errors should be minimal and not impede communication. So a diverse grammatical range combined with high accuracy will enhance your overall score. So in a nutshell, achieving a high score in IELTS writing requires a balanced demonstration of these 4 criteria, with a focus on fulfilling task requirements, maintaining clarity and flow, employing varied vocabulary, and using grammar correctly. That's it for today's class. Please do well to drop a comment after watching this video. Follow us on all social media platforms to stay updated. Bye for now.